Hi, boys and girls. This is Tassinelli and Andrew. And we're on here to tell you guys that we understand it's the end of the year. We know that you guys are ready for summer, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And we get it. Believe me, we completely understand. But we need you logging on every day. I need you doing the daily checkout, okay? There's fun activities on there. There is a year in review that we would like to pass on to your 6th grade teachers so they know a little bit about yourselves. And then there's also the letter to yourself, which we will send to you guys when you are in high school, graduating high school. So that'll be fun to get back to yourself in many years from now when you graduate. And there's also some more fun activities that are planned for the end of this week and early next week. So please get on and be doing some of that. It's not just completely log out time. Remember too that some of you have work that's not complete. You need to get that completed and you have till Friday to get that done. So please log on and get that work done as well. Do you have anything else you want to say to them?
Bye.
Bye. All right, boys and girls, we'll see ya.